If someone was to hand you this, a Greggs Bake, and say, there you go mate, got you a Greggs Bake. How would you know whether you liked it or not without taking a bite? Which flavour is it? Doesn't sound in the packaging. Does it say it on there? Or does it? Each one has secret markings. I'm going to show you which one's which. So these are the Greggs Bakes. Now as you can see, the different flavours they do. Now can you tell which one's which? Now how they tell in the shop is the different lines on the pastry. As you can see here, we've got the diagonal lines. This is your steak. You've got your wavy horizontal lines. This is your chicken. You've got your V here. This is your cheese and onion. And you've got your horizontal straight lines. This is your sausage and beans. That's how you tell the difference. Let's give them a go, shall we? Right, so here we go. Let's give my favourite, the steak bake, a try. Let's give it a go. Nice crunchy, look. Nice crunchy base. Nice and golden. Let's give it a go. Mmm. Flaky. Nice rich thick gravy in there. You've got lovely chicken, lovely bits of steak in there as well. Beautiful. Peppery as well. Nice. I enjoy that one. A quick drink. Makes me now. And then we've now got the wavy one, which is the chicken. Let's give this a quick go. Flaky, squidgy, like a creamy chicken sauce in there, as you can see. Nice and hot, flaky, creamy. That's probably my second one, my second favourite. This is probably my least favourite one, this one. This one is the V. You can see you've got a V on it. This is the cheese and onion. Not so keen on cheese and onion, but we'll give it a go. Soft and squidgy like chicken. Okay, you get the cheese, oomph for cheese. A light bit of onion actually. I think they've done away with it, not so oniony. That's nice, nice and warm. Nice on a winter's day, that one. And then we've got the other one, which is, I believe, the sausage and beans. Just gonna go. Lines. See which one I like. Nice. Got beans. Okay, so the bean juice actually soaked into the pastry and made it like a thicker, gooey kind of pastry. Not quite as flaky, actually. Yeah, okay, so I'd say this is my least favourite, actually, surprisingly. The sausage and beans, followed by the cheese and onion. Then I'd go with the chicken. Then again, I'd go with the steak. Brilliant. That's my review.